doghouse makeup style. It's my go-to style and what Gremlin really enjoys as well, since she's eaten most of it. This is the first thing I start with. It's a Smashbox primer. It's green. I purposely got green because Gremlin won't eat green. It reminds her of healthy things. Then we go on to our Makeup Forever, which I love this product. It's fantastic. It's great coverage. I keep this up really high because Gremlin would have it everywhere. And I do actually use a brush for this. Right, Grem? Yeah, do you want to just give that a... Okay, that good? Good. And I put it on my face. Really nice coverage. My new favorite product. Recently, Gremlin pulled my makeup case down and my blushes all broke. So I got a new one. Another product which I absolutely love. This is a, oh, I can't say the name of it. A NARS Duo. We'll just say it's a duo. And I just bought a new brush for that. Gremlin. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is another one Gremmy hasn't gotten yet. It's just an angled blush brush. I try and make a Kim Kardashian. It doesn't work. You're supposed to use a really light hand, but Gremlin says that doesn't actually matter. She uses her teeth. For my birthday, Gremlin got me the Naked palette. Let me just show you those. Oh, fabulous. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. The colors that she likes the most are Virgin, Naked, Half Baked, and Dark Horse. So we're at least on the same page with that. I take the Virgin, according to Gremlin, and put that on first. She has beautiful dark eyes. She doesn't even need makeup, but she insists on eating it. Grim. Grace. Look alive. These are some of your favorite products. Right? You like that one? Now, Gremlin did not do this. It came like this. You can buy brushes that are bent. It's really nice for eyeliner. And I used this Black Track Fluid Line from MAC. Always curl the lashes. And the only lipstick I have left is this one, which she's also likes a lot. It's buxom, so it like tingles on your lips, and I think Remy probably really likes that. And that's the doghouse look. That's all it is. A little naked, a little half-eaten product. You ready for the day?